Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to landscape pages in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To landscape pages in Google Docs, open your document in Google Doc. I have opened a document and I want to make these pages landscape. Click on the drop down menu on upper right corner, and here you will find format, and here you will find format tab. Click on format tab and you will find page orientation. Click on page orientation. Apply to whole document will be selected, and the orientation, you will find two type of orientation, portrait and landscape. It's portrait, that's why portrait is selected. Click on landscape and then click on OK. And look, now all pages are landscape oriented. This is the easiest way to make landscape pages in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.